What if I told you there's a way to get started in real estate without using any of your own money? Not fixer-uppers, not bad neighborhoods, not high-risk flips. I'm talking about beautiful neighborhoods. Move-in ready homes with 30% equity or more built in from day one. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the simplest ways to enter real estate, even if you don't have capital sitting in the bank. And step 3 is where you decide how you get paid. Step 1, the right properties. We focus on 3 types of residential properties that typically have 30% equity or more. Not distressed, not heavy rehabs, not problem areas. Solid homes in strong neighborhoods. Because equity is protection. Equity is leverage. Equity is control. When you buy right, you eliminate most of the risk up front. Step 2, financing or not financing. Most beginners think they need money to start. They don't. Depending on how the deal is structured, you may not need traditional financing at all. And if financing is needed, there are strategic ways to fund the deal without coming out of pocket. Real estate isn't about having cash. It's about knowing how to structure opportunity. If you're starting to see the difference, comment structure below. Step 3, control the exit. Now you're in a powerful position. With strong equity, you choose. Sell and cash out. Or hold and build long-term wealth with rental income, fast capital or passive income. The decision becomes yours, my guys, because you bought strategically. Nova RE Alliance. At Nova RE Alliance, this is exactly what we teach. Not hype, not theory, not risky speculation. We teach investors how to identify the right properties, structure the deal properly, and control the exit. If you're serious about getting into real estate the right way, without gambling your savings, follow Nova RE Alliance on Facebook. Send us a message that says equity, and we'll show you how to start building real leverage in real estate.